ki khubor ki babnya ha ka bai dei bat ka jingkan no penyap ya arngut ki bre wam dei ki khasi ha ichamati ki pulit ki lakem ya arngut ki Dkhot ka KSU ha ka met sngi ningkong ha bakren bat ki nong tho khubor u SP ka East KHASI Hills u Rituraj Ravi ula pentip ba ki pulit ki lakem ya arngut ki bre ki badon kti bat ka ni ka jingja ula pentip ru balara yaki baro arngut syayeng bishar bantian bishar yaki hinen kesngi bat la Pynngat yaki ha ka polis custody hadu nyosngi ula ong ru ba kila penjur ke jing pahara ban pentikna bakan ommi shu ke jing kulma
to the two murders that took place under Shala place. Last night we made 2 arrests. Both were produced to court today and the court has granted to us 7 days of police custody. 30234 and further sections we will see as the investigation proceeds. One is Shri Shanborlang Shati and the other one is Shri Mazadafor Skimber. Both 26 years old. Investigation is still going on.
Okay.
We are at the very initial stage of investigation, so investigation will go on into this case. Yes, the investigation in this case is at very initial stage and it will go on. Thank you.
ki Dkhot ka KSU ki bahayeng